Hello guys, welcome again. So finally you are in the last part of this course. So I would like to share a few things about trading. So if you are a beginner, please start with less amount of shares. Don't go huge. Start with less shares, like trade with 10 shares, and once you're consistent enough, probably you can scale up your capital. And also, if you lose money during the beginning, please don't get disheartened. So initial stage of your trading career, you are bound to lose money. Even the greatest traders have lost money in the during the initial stage. So it is all about how you learn from the mistakes. So just to give you an example, so the difference between a profitable trader and a newbie trader is that when the market is live, if a newbie trader goes through or around 200 future stocks during the market, out of 200 stocks, almost 150 stocks will look like a tradable stocks for him. So almost 70% of the stock will look deceiving to trade for him, either on the long or short trade. So for for someone who is profitable and someone who has experience, uh, out of 200 stocks, only 10 stocks he will pick. For example, if I'm going through 200 stocks, I will pick only 5 to 10 stocks and see if there is any possibility. Even in that 5 stocks, I will just pick one. So this comes from experience. So you will filter out stocks uh, once you gain experience. So in 1 month, probably you will select only 120 stocks. In 2 months, you will select only 90 stocks. In 4 months, you will select only 50 stocks. So the moment you start gaining experience, the number of selection of stocks will also get reduced. You will filter out by applying your experience. So yeah, uh, also to speak about other thing, that is crude oil. So if you are someone uh, who's going to office, and you don't have time during the day to trade, if you're extremely busy, probably you can make use of crude oil, and you can trade after 6 p.m. or 7 p.m., which has good volatility. And it's very easy to book 10 points if you're consistent enough. Crude oil is more than enough. You don't even have to look at stock market. I'm just giving you an option. If you would like to trade both, that's completely fine. So I am someone who traded crude oil in the past, but right now I'm working during the evening, so I'm not able to give some time for crude oil. So I'm predominantly trading in stock market right now. So probably in the future, in the near future, I will be able to trade that as well. So yeah, that will be it, guys. So, and I hope you like my course. Thank you for being really patient and listening to my lecture. All the very best, guys. I sincerely hope you guys make most money out of the course. If you think you liked my course, please leave out a testimonial. You can do that after backtesting our indicator. Like, you just turn on all the indicator and go through all the 50 stocks, and I'm sure you will be pretty impressed. And then you can leave out a testimonial for my course. It really matters because there are a lot of fake trainers in the market. Uh, since the marketing is too good, young people fall for them. And yeah, your testimonial is very valuable to me. And yeah, that will be all, and I will be also supporting you from my end as much as possible. Don't worry. And if any doubts, please contact me or send out a message. And yeah, that will be all. Thank you very much, guys.